Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Lenovo Tab M7 to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can select Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Lenovo, and Receive at the bottom next Send on an Android. Then, also on an Android, scroll down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Now select Close this window and go back to Lenovo. Finally, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories. This way you will select all of those files and then transfer them. You can also just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. When you're ready, select Send next to Selected. Then click on Got it in the pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, you need to tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers correctly, and then tap on the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!